So by the end of this webinar, you'll be able to understand the problem and solution questions, plan your essay using a simple structure, use linking expressions to develop your argument, and introduce causes and suggest solutions. So let's just think about causes, okay? Can anyone give me any causes of this? Okay, Ali's saying overpopulation. So one is a lack of public transport. Another one we got was, some of you said this, I think you used the word uniform. Many people have the same working schedule. Okay, so as you'll notice, we've only got 2 causes. So I would suggest either 2, possibly 3, but no more than that. Why should you only have 2 causes or 2 or 3 causes? Explanation. So you need to give a proper explanation. If you put in too many causes, your answer will be very vague. It'll be very general. So it needs to be detailed enough. Right, now thinking about solutions. What could you say for solutions? Considering the causes that we've introduced, so you need solutions that are going to match those causes. Working from home, that's a good one. Provide public transport. Carpooling, that's a nice phrase. Encourage public transport use. Yeah, so you're kind of getting the right answers there. So this, as you can see, this first solution connects with the first cause, okay? There's a lack of public transport, so we need to invest more in public transport. What about the second one, the second cause? What would be the solution to that one? So we just explained this like this. So public facilities should start work at different times across the city. Probably now we might say working from home, because we're realizing you can actually do a lot of work from home now. Right, so that's the basic plan. So we're going to look at a simple structure, the introduction. So how do you start the introduction? Or paraphrase, so paraphrase the question on the next part. Yeah, you got that. So this is, the second part is slightly different to some of the questions you've looked at before. So you might briefly explain why the problem is important. But as you can see, that's optional, so you don't have to do that. But it's you know, you can do that if you like. And then an outline statement, okay? So it's not really a thesis statement, so you're not really giving your opinion, you're more saying what's going to be discussed. And then we have the first body. So what's the first part of that? So you state the cause. So this is basically, some of you saying topic sentence, so it is the topic sentence. Sorry, that should be slightly clearer. So in the topic sentence, you would state the cause. So remember, with every paragraph must start with the topic sentence. So in this case, it would be the cause. What's the second part? Elizabeth, so you explain the cause and then describe what? The negative effect, that's right. So the negative effect of the cause and give example. So as you can see, this is slightly different to some of the essays you've done before, but I think it will be clearer once we actually have a look at an example. So the next part is body B. So you state, in this case, solution, yes, and explain the solution and how it solves, that's right. So remember, when you give solutions, they must connect with the causes, okay, and give example. And then because it's task 2, you need a conclusion. What do you do there? Summary. Summarize causes and solutions. Okay, so that's the basic structure. So if it's slightly confusing, don't worry, because I'm going to be showing you how we would write this.